I'm Lori Halloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube and an expert in the field of nail technology, specializing in pedicures. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe and click the bell to turn on your notifications to know when I upload my weekly video and be notified if your comment got the most likes and will be featured in an upcoming video.
For your toes? Pretty much.
I would imagine.
Well, if you don't have problem feet, you don't really need to have your toenails thinned out. It just looks like
It was. I've had it on there before.
Yeah.
Only because I like how long it lasts.
Yeah.
Like, what are the other directions? Because Michigan has so many different directions and ways you can go. And I'm like, oh, next time I'll call my friends in Detroit. But now I have to just run back home. So sweet. I'm just attentive. He lives in upstate New York with his March. So from March to July I had him. And he just spoiled me.
Aww.
Love it. So gentle.
Yeah, I try to be.
It's surprising, you know, I'm not surprised, but you know what I mean? Just seems like it would be.
Right, probably people imagine it to feel different than it looks on the channel.
So gentle, great.
Walked in and she's like, hi, I have an appointment today at 11 with Lori. And Bruce was like, what's your name?
Right.
And he's like, oh no, your appointment's tomorrow. But she can do it today.
Oh my goodness.
And I'm like, okay, this worked out. That'll be
That did
fine.
work out, right. I've been up since 5:30.
Oh my goodness.
I could have left an hour earlier. I'm in the mirror, like, doing just, you know,
Right.
fucking tweezing and, you know, just
Yeah.
doing stupid stuff. And I'm like, I was so mad at myself. I'm like, no. As soon as I crossed, it said the phone changed and everything changed. And I'm like, what is this? What is this?
What is this?
Oh my God, I was freaking out. So I do have mild freakouts. They don't happen very often. It's usually I'm very diligent about it. that space under there. And then, is it a coincidence that that little black line, is that like fungus or something? What is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, so right now you've got a bunch of material compacted down underneath that lifted area, and it won't reattach to the skin until the debris is out of there. So we've got to clean all of that out. Like, it's not very deep, or, you know, I would suggest cutting some of the toenail down, but I think that once I get it cleaned out, you'll be able to drop the product right underneath your toenail in that space, and it'll just grow out and reattach. My stuff, if it's hanging there, the kids will be touching it and
playing. Oh, that's,
I'm like,
that's
I don't,
a toy for them.
No.
Oh, that looks amazing though. Like you could stretch the front of your Ooh.
So it's sitting on the dining room table, and he's supposed to help me hang it up tonight.
Where are you gonna hang it?
I have a room where I do all my editing for my videos.
There you go.
And that's where I want it. You're gonna put holes in the ceiling? I said, yeah, I am.
Clears and stuff, like a, make sure like each one that you use is like 100-pound one. You know what I mean?
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.